See, JavaScript is having a different loops, conditions, everything. So the iterables in the sense, uh, it's going to be rotatable or something we can say continuously calling. So we are going to be seeing the two more concept is called the break and continue. So what is a break? So as the break, it is going to be stop the execution of the programming. So that is called a break. And the continue is a one thing. It is going to be continue the execution of the program. So just I will take one example, break and continue. So for that, so I want to close this one. I think we just started. Okay, fine. So I will take a one file, the index 18.html. Okay, so I have created a file. So now we are going to be discussed about two keywords that is called a break and so break and what you can say uh, continue. Okay, so just I will go here. Okay, it is creating a file. In the last session, so we have studied about the different types of loops and in that we have a for of loop, for in loop, for of loop, while loop. So then we are going to be discussed about the break and continued. So before that, then we have learned the condition if else condition, else if condition. So these are all the different types of conditions we have done. Okay, so today we are going with a JavaScript two more. The concept is called a break and continue. So this is very important because of while you're developing an application. So how to do break and continue. So DOC. So it is loading. See here, it is loading my workspace content. So that's why it is not showing a thing. Okay, so let it be. So before that, the last session. So these are all the loops we have already discussed, and the different types of conditions is there. So this is the for of loop. This is the for in loop. Okay. So arrays are always with the for of. This is the for of loop. Okay. So when it comes to the object, that is a for in loop. See, this is the object because of keep a value. So that's why for in loop is there. So whenever we are dealing with the objects, just you are going with the for of loop. Whenever dealing with the arrays, you are going with the for of loop. Okay. So I think it is done a document. So just I want to discuss about H2 break and continue. So these two keywords are very important because of while you're working with the projects. The first we'll understand so break condition. Let's take a script. So then for for is the loop. Okay. So then I have a condition. What is the condition? Let I equals to 0, I less than 20, I plus plus. Okay, so what is here? I is a variable which is assigned a 0 and it will check for the condition. Is the 0 is less than 20? Yes. Until it is going for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 20. So is 20 is less than 20? No. Is 20? So then here the block will be stopped. So this is the increment of the every loop. Okay. So I will do one thing. I will take a let txt equals to one empty string I will take. So from here, if I equals to 3, then break. Okay, whenever the I is through, I is 3, so I am telling that break the or execution. So then txt plus equals to, sorry, this is a txt equals to the value of I is, okay, so now here it is printing a document dot get element by id of inner HTML equals to txt. Okay, so here what happens, document dot get element by id demo inner HTML txt. Okay, so here I will take a p hash demo, and so this is the demo. Here it is going to be print. So what is the logic here? So I have a one loop, and I am calling a one more thing called a break. So how it is executing? So first my loop is initially the I is initialized to 0. Then is 0 is less than 20. It is checking. It means 0 is less than 20 means yes. So then, so it will check if 0 is equals to 3, no. Then it will not execute this one. And it will come here. So 0 is stored into text. So next, it is incremented by 1. So then I is 1 now. See 0 to increment I plus plus means increment by 1. So now 0 is become a 1. Then the next is what? 1 is less than 20, yes, then it will come here, is 1 is equals to 3, no, this block will be not executed. Then it will come 1, that is 1 is added, now 0 1 is added. The next, it is incremented by 1, so 1 plus 1 is a now 2. Okay, so is 2 is, again it will come, is 2 is less than 20, yes, so then it will check for here, is 2 is equals to 3, no, this block will be not executed, that 2 will be stored into a text. Then increment by 1, so now I value is 3, so is 3 is less than 20, 3 is less than 20, yes, then it will come for I is 3, so is 3 is equals to 3, yes, then call the break, then it will stop the execution. Let's see the output. Right click, open with the live server. So it is going to be open a live server. Okay, so see, that is why how it is printing here. So just I will add one break here, so you will get a complete idea. See, at the 3rd location, it is going to be stop. So that's why 0 is printed, 1 is printed, 2 is printed. When the 3 is equals to 3, then it will be break. Break means what? It will stop the execution. So what if I remove this one? Con- Control forward slash, it's commented. So if you see here, it is going to be print up to 20. But what I have done here, I have made a one breakpoint. So where the value is I value is equals to 3, then it will stop the execution. Then it will go here. Okay, 0, 1, 2. Okay, so this is how it will work. So let text equals to empty string, for let I equal to 0, I less than 10. If I make a something I equals to 10, so up to 9 it will execute. Whenever the I value become a 10, it will stop the execution. Control S, if you see here, see up to 9 it is going to be. So break means what? So it will stop the execution of the program. Okay, so what you got to know? So break is something, it is going to be, what I can say. stop the execution. And one more thing will come, the continue. Okay. See, continue statement, what happens here? It will break the one iteration if the specified condition occurs, then continues with the next operations. Okay, so here what happens? Break means what? It will stop. But here I will use a one more keyword called a continue. What is the continue? So except 10, it is going to be run everything. See, it will go for the I1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It will check for the 10 and it will not take this value and it will directly going for the 11. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 10 is not added because it is going to be stored in the here. So that is a 10 value is stored here. Okay, so I is a 10. So I triple equals to 10 means 10 is equals to, see, I value is what? 0 is not equals, first is what? Initially I is value is 0 and is 0 is less than 20 and so it I plus plus, but I value is now 0, is 0 is equals to 10, no, like that it will go for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So for the 10 it will go here and it will skip for adding a one value, that is a 10, it is going for here. So the I is stored into text, document get demo in HTML, text is stored into here. So here it is the value. Okay, that is a continue statement. Okay, so this is called a JavaScript, what you can say, break and continues. Okay, so these are all the this is very important, they are going to be asked in the interview. The next will come the JavaScript set. What is a set? The set is a one data structure, so it is going to be store the similar set of a data or a unique data. Okay, so how to create a set? Let's say constant letters equals to new set bracket a, something like this. So it looks like that array. What is the difference? Yes, if you want to do CLZ, console.log, letters, if I just go to the browser, right click, inspect, we'll go to the console. See here, totally how many elements are there? Thus 8, because it is going to be start with a 0. Okay, what is the difference? It looks like an array only. Then what is the difference? Yes, I will use A, B. Again, I will use ABCD repetitively. See here also ABCDEFGH is there, and here also duplicate copy is there. So approximately like 20 plus elements are there. But how many items it will show? See here, it is showing only one. What does it means? Wherever the repeating value is there, no, so it will be treated as a once. See, ABCDEFGH is one, ABCDEFGH is one. So this both will be treated as a one value. Okay. So here it is a, we will remove this one. Control S. If you see here, see this is the what you can say set. So set methods and all is there. You just have a look into this one. Okay. The next is what a map. So a map holds the key value pair where the key can be any data type. A map members the original insertion order of the keys. Okay, how to create a maps? So just I will go here. One example, uh, constant fruits equals to map bracket. So I will use a one more set of array called something apple value, and this is the key value pair. Let's say 500, not a string. So like that, bracket orange 501, something like that, bracket mango 502. Okay, so this is how it is going to be create the value. So if you want to print something like some data, so how to print CLZ for console.log bracket. Okay, so here what is the array name? The array name is sorry, object name fruits, fruits fruits dot get of what is the string name? String name whichever you want to access. So control S, fruits is my array name, object name, a get is a method, mango is here. So it is going to be fetch the value 502. If you just go here, see here the 502 is fetched here. So this is called what we can say uh, a JavaScript set and map. The next major thing is major concept is this keyword. What is this keyword? So this is a keyword. It is used with respect to the object in the JavaScript. So there is a different methodology there with respect to class, with respect to variable, with respect to methods and everything. So first we'll understand what is this. I will take a one object that is called a person equals to bracket FIR first name colon. What is the first name? I will take a Virat. Last name Kohli. So something is called a his ID will be R01. Okay, and so this is my object. I will call a full name is one method here. How colon? So here I will call the function open close brace. Okay, return this dot first name, this dot last name. Okay, so now what happened? I will go CLZ console.log. So I will call up. full name is a method. Control S will go here. Okay, so what is the mistake? The full name is not defined. Yes. Why? Because I need to call with the object name. So let's take a person. Control S. P or person dot full name. Control S. See here. Virat is there and undefined it is showing. What is the mistake? First name and last name. Okay, the first name and the last name. So here caps n is there. We are using a small n. Control S. If I just go here, see this is the Virat Kohli. So what is a this here? Now we are calling a this. What is a this? See, this is the keyword. It is going to be referred to the person object. See, if I mouse over means it will show the, see what it is showing, first name, last name, ID, full name. Who, who contains? The person is contains all those data. So if you just mouse over this, again this is a keyword, first name, last name, ID, full name is this one. Got it. So this is how we are calling. So it is this is acting as a person object. Why? Because so this is the normal methodology of okay, that is a normal methodology of the if else condition. The person dot full name. The full name written this dot first name, this dot last name. So indirectly this is acting as a person object. Okay, so this is acting as a person object. Okay, so how it is looks now? So if I just go here, Virat Kohli is fetching from the this dot. So this dot indirectly person dot first name means what? See, this is the object name, the property name. It is giving a property value. This is acting as a person object. Last name is a property name. This is the property value. Okay, so this is how it is going to be work. Okay, so this is called a what we can say this keyword. So this is a keyword. It is going to be uh, work with the what we can say. It is acting as an object. Okay. So next we are going with the next is the arrow function. What is the arrow function? We'll go with a one example. Okay, so here I will take a let x equals to bracket equals to a star b. Okay, here we are passing a sorry a comma b document dot get element by id demo1 dot inner html equals to x of 100 comma 200 x comma 100 comma 200. Okay, so now here what we, okay, let's see the what is the output. So I want to create a one hash h sorry h2 hash demo. Okay, so h2 hash demo. So now here what it is going to be print, it is, let's see the output. So demo is there, demo 1 is there. I will make it as a demo 1. Control S, will go here, will go here, reload, reload it. Okay, so here what happens, demo 1. So what is the output here? So we need to call the method. Okay, what is my function? My function name is x. So I will take another name because of I might. So function name is a my function, and I will replace with this x. Then I am passing a two values. So that is a 100 and 200. So that is 100 and 200 up here. 100 and 200 multiplication. It is again it is giving to the my function. So it is going to be display here. Control S, right click, open with the live server. One more time I will run. See, 2000 it is there. So earlier, this is how the arrow function we can call. Earlier, how we are writing a function. So function, my function, bracket, enter open close brace, a comma b, return a star b. Okay. So here what happened? Function, my function is there, a comma b is there, return a star b. So here instead this is also same thing, this is also same thing. So this is the normal JavaScript function, this is the arrow function. Which is the better? So this is the better because it contains the a comma b value, a star b. So that is it is going to be print the value. So who is giving? So my function, here the 100 and 200 is passed to the my function. So that is 100 and 200 is there. 100 into 200 is multiplied and it is stored to the my function. So that is it is going to be written the my function. Okay. So this is called the arrow function. So this is act as a function name, and this is the function parameters, and it is going to be actual calculation. So then it is going to be return the value and given to the my function. It's not to the my function, it will give the return value, that's it. So that return value it is going to be displayed here. So this is called a what we can say uh, JavaScript arrow functions. Okay, so here we can say as a this is a simple because if you know arrow functions, you are going to be using throughout the React.js. Okay, so today I think this is more enough for this one. Almost all basic JavaScript, almost all it is completed today. So tomorrow.